In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw USDT from the KuCoin app. By following these instructions, you will successfully transfer your USDT to your desired wallet or account. Begin by launching the KuCoin app on your mobile device. Once the app opens, you will be presented with the main dashboard, which displays your account balance and various options for trading and managing your assets. Next, locate the Assets tab at the bottom of the screen. Tapping on this tab will lead you to a list of all your available cryptocurrencies. Look for the USDT option within this list. If you do not see it immediately, you may need to scroll or search for it. After selecting USDT, you will be taken to a screen that displays your USDT balance. Here, find and click on the Withdraw button. This action will prompt a new screen where you can enter the withdrawal details. Once you are on the withdrawal screen, you will need to input the wallet address to which you wish to send your USDT. It is crucial to double check this address, as sending funds to an incorrect address can result in a permanent loss of your assets. After entering the wallet address, proceed to specify the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits set by Coin, as well as the transaction fees that may apply. These fees can vary based on network conditions and should be taken into account when deciding how much to withdraw. Next, review all the information you have entered. Ensure that the wallet address and the amount are correct. If everything looks accurate, confirm the withdrawal by clicking the Submit button. This action may initiate a security verification process, such as entering a two-factor authentication code if you've enabled this feature. Following your confirmation, the app will display a message indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. You may receive a notification regarding the status of your transaction. Keep in mind that the processing time can vary based on network congestion and KuCoin's processing times. Finally, it is advisable to monitor your wallet to confirm that the USDT has been successfully received. Depending on your internet speed and the blockchain's current state, the transfer may take some time to complete. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient storage space on your device for any transaction notifications or confirmations. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.